Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a series, basically start to finish process videos for the journal that I made for Lisa at Handmade from Lisa. We participated, it was just the two of us. We decided to do a journal swap. So we used the same kit by Tina at Shabbydabbydoodah. So this is also my design team project for the month of September. But the process videos might come out in October. I don't know. I will have the flip through done first, obviously, because I don't want Lisa to see what I am making ahead of time. So it's, it'll be a backwards type of situation again. So, but I am hoping that I will be able to film, just like start to finish, literally. There will be some things that I will do, off camera, because you don't want to watch me, like for example, ink all of these gorgeous bits and pieces from the kit. I won't do, I'll cut things out, that kind of thing, so it's not so boring, I guess. But basically, what Lisa and I decided was on a kit. So we are using the Paris in Bloom kit by Tina. And I added a couple other of her kits in as well. One of them is her cigarette cards, the floral ones. And I just have two of them here. And I've cut out the front and the back that matches for each of these. But I thought, this actually isn't part of the kit, but yeah, this is, wait, oh no, that's also not part of the kit. Anyway, I thought they went really well with this, so I was, I thought I would use those because I hadn't yet, so I'll glue those together. But anyway, so the cigarette cards, and then I also used, this is one of her collage sheets, and right now I cannot remember what it is called. It might be like vintage floral, but now I'm drawing a blank. But if you look here, this is the kit, the Paris in Bloom kit. There are pieces from it in these collage sheets. So I thought, well, that works perfectly. So I went ahead and printed those out just on regular copy paper so that I could use those maybe. And then I printed the main pages from the kit onto it's like presentation paper, and I printed the images at 85%, I believe, and I'm gonna have to cut them down because Lisa requested a hardcover journal the size of a Reader's Digest, and that is exactly what these front and back covers are from. A Reader's Digest from 1961. And, it's not perfect. It's from 1961. So there's a little bit of, wear on the cover, but I absolutely adore this cover and the color and everything about it. So, I'm going to use it and I hope Lisa likes it, but I need to, trim down the edges. I already have my spine piece cut. It's just shy of 2 inches. So I'm going to do as much as I can on camera. I don't have a screen sharing program right now, so I am trying to work without that. I don't know how well that's going to do because I've gotten very used to being able to see what I'm filming so that I stay in frame, and I even, still struggle with that, with the screen sharing program. So I need to kind of work that out, but I'm going to do my best still to be able to film a great majority of what I do for this journal, because I have wanted to do that for a while, and I've said that I'm going to do that and I never do. So that's my plan. So anyway, there are 8 background pages that come in the kit. And I used 2 of the pages from Tina's Lavender Serenity kit to print on the backs of the main pages and on the backs of all of the little embellishment pieces. So I'll show you that in a second. But this, I love this coffee stain digital. I love that. So there's one page, and then the next one, and then they just all have that on the back. I love this kit. I used it for Jennifer's loaded envelope when we did our little swap, and I didn't get to use, you know, all of it because it was just a loaded envelope, but I'm very excited to use the rest of the pieces and to make this journal for Lisa. And I really hope she likes it. She has requested very little embellishing because unlike me, she actually journals in her journals. So that'll keep me in check because that's what she has requested. And yeah, so let me show you just, you know, I won't go through all of these, but I did kind of a combination of the coffee dyed background from the Lavender Serenity kit. And then I also did this sort of background, which is also from the Lavender Serenity. But this, let me see if I can find, there was actually some of this pattern in this kit. And, oh, here we go. So this is a piece from the Paris and Bloom kit, and this is the background from Lavender Serenity. So see how they match? So I thought, I'm gonna make sure I'm in frame here. I thought, well, that's perfect. So go ahead and focus. There we go. So yeah, so I just did that. So I am going to, you know, do all of the inking and such on my own. I will cut down the pages to the proper size. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the collage sheets yet, but they will be here to work with. I have decided to use Distress Oxide and Tattered Rose and just some Sky Blue Archival ink to do my distressing because those colors look really pretty with the kit. So that is my plan. And other than that, I don't have anything else planned yet. I am just sort of getting started. I don't want to do a whole lot of, decorating of the cover because I love how it looks all on its own. So I'm gonna try. I'll probably do my inside out spine because maybe there's enough space here. I don't want to cover up any of this this gold, along here when I attach the spine. So I have to work that out. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to clean it up a little bit, but this was actually in my grandparents' house. So this was one of my grandma's Reader's Digests. And I'll probably cover up the inside covers, the inside of the covers, because I don't know. It's kind of cool. It kind of looks sort of like a cross between some coffee dyeing and some eco dyeing. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, like I said, this will, you will have already seen the flip through. Lisa will at least have seen the flip through, will maybe have already gotten her book by the time that I upload these process videos. But my goal, like I said, is to do a, start to finish series. So, okay. I'm going to go for now though and do a little bit of work, on this, and then I will be back soon. I will wait and, kind of clean up these edges and stuff, I guess, maybe on camera, so you can kind of see how I do that. Because I obviously, as you can see, I very roughly just took this apart, and stuck it, in my bin of book covers. So it needs some work, but yeah, guys. All right, that's it for now, guys. I will see you later. Have a very, very fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.